Alright, hey guys, so for this latest challenge, this is a little bit different because we're actually testing out the new website, or a portion of the new website. We wanted to run our challenge functionality and actually test it out with you, the community, but because we're doing it for prototyping purposes, we didn't want to have it be with a client or with any large-scale prizes or anything like that, where the outcome of it would seriously matter. But we still obviously wanted to make it a fun challenge. So hence the topic that we've chosen for this one, the 50-gallon drum. The reason that we chose the 50-gallon drum is because it's actually a technology we've been interested in for a while. We've looked at it because 50-gallon drums are pretty cheap. They're easy to come by, generally speaking, and you can do quite a lot with them. So because we don't actually have a 50-gallon drum, I'm going to step over here. We've brought this trash can out to illustrate some of the advantages to what would be the 50-gallon drum technology. First things, certainly you can see that the 50-gallon drum is pretty durable. So you can use it in exterior purposes, interior purposes, anything like that. Not to mention, unlike a solid steel cylinder, 50-gallon drums, if you can visualize this trash can without the trash, are hollow, which makes them extremely lightweight. So you can use these for flying applications or boating applications. They can be used for flotation. 50-gallon drums also are metallic, which means that you can magnetize things to them, clip them to hold stuff. You can put odd stickers on the front of them. And basically you can apply them in any number of manner of purposes on your vehicle. So the target of this particular challenge is to take 50-gallon drum technology and actually figure out how you could construct a vehicle around it that would best illustrate the use of this particular piece of equipment. The top two things that we're looking for when you actually make your vehicles with the 50-gallon drum is we want to see the 50-gallon drum front and center. We want to see lots of 50-gallon drums implemented in the design. The more drums, the better. And the more obvious the usage of those drums, the better as well. Drums tied to drums give you extra points as well. So the more that you can use a 50-gallon drum with another 50-gallon drum to perform the work that you need to get done in your vehicle, that also adds credit to the situation. So if you guys want, you can go and check out the ignition kit. We've got a couple of stock photos of 50-gallon drums in various paint schemes depending on your aesthetic choices. You can download those, use them in your design, and deliver on the views that our new interface shows that are required for that particular challenge. So work on your views, upload them with the material from the ignition kit, and we'll see what you guys can come up with. Thanks a lot.